2015 T880. Red paint and a red motor, y'all. Right kind of combination. EATON ULTRASHIFT 10 speed. Cummins ISX 12, 450 horsepower. 1,550 foot-pounds of torque. Got a Jost pinnable fifth wheel. If you want to pull your dump trailer, she's set up for it. All aluminum outer rubber. Air ride suspension, 12K front, 34K rears. Got a single line wet kit on it. Cruise control, engine brake, diff lock. 570,000 miles, 18,800 hours. Good running driving truck, y'all. Clean too. If you like red, this is the truck for you. Legacy seats, driver's seat, 150-gallon driver's side tank. Nice day cab right here, y'all. Automatic. Put anybody in it and they can drive it. 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee is our address. SouthernEquipmentLLC.com is our website. SCSbid.com is our website for all your auction needs. We have an auction the third Thursday of every single month. Y'all, we usually sell around 1,200 pieces a month on there. You can buy something for $20, you might buy something for $200,000. You don't ever know what you're going to get. Thank y'all for watching our videos.